So I see a lot of applications where folks are using their cutting boards, and that's what we do, and I mean chopping and dicing and slicing and stuff. I also see them using their dish towels or some sort of towel underneath their cutting boards in order to keep the cutting board from sliding around. And as you know, if you work with one, that's what happens. I got one finger making it move like crazy. This is a paper towel. Pardon my sniffing, it's allergies, not a cold, guys. So this is a paper towel, a couple of sheets of paper towel that I've wet over right on my sink right behind me here, and I lay that down. My paper towels down. They're pretty wet. They're not soggy, but they're wet. Then I'll take my cutting board and lay it on top of this, thusly. And once you do that, the cutting board's not going to go anywhere. And again, you guys might have already seen me do this, and I'm trying to put some teaching in each one of my videos. That cutting board will not move. Certainly, you can pick it up, you can lift it, but when you're slicing and dicing and chopping, it can be dangerous. I was watching a video not very long ago where the person that was doing the cooking was literally chasing the cutting board, literally chasing it and pulling it back, chasing it and pulling it back. So anyway, that's that for that briefly.